Join me in painting birds with watercolor using a simple technique. I'm mixing cerulean blue with a small amount of sap green on my palette, and using this mix I paint the bird's head and wings in a carrot shape. While the carrot shape is still wet, I use a light value of orange to paint from the top of that carrot shape to just below the middle part to form the bird's tummy. After that, I blend light value of orange with cerulean blue to avoid any hard edges between the wings and tummy. Now I extend this light orange for the legs and use a dark value of orange to paint the bird's feet and also its beak. With the cerulean blue already on my palette, I'm adding more Virgin green to paint the second bird. I'm using the same carrot shape for the second bird's head and wing that we previously discussed while painting the first bird. Whereas this carrot shape is like a mirror reflection of the first one. Using a light value of orange, I paint the tummy of the bird. Then I blend this light orange with Woodian hue and make sure there are no hard edges. I extend the tummy using light orange, and then using a dark value of orange I paint the feet and beak of the bird. The next bird is a little different as it is looking downward from the branch. So the carrot shape for its head and wing will be slightly different. Just follow the video to see how to draw this carrot shape. I'm using ultramarine to paint the carrot shape, and then I use a light value of orange to paint the tummy of the bird. After painting the tummy of the bird, once again I blend this light value of orange with ultramarine to avoid any hard edges. Once again, using light value of orange, I extend the tummy, and using dark value of orange, I paint the feet of the bird and also its beak. The fourth bird is similar to the first one. I'm using orange pigment to paint the carrot shape and a light value of ultramarine for the tummy of the bird. I used burnt umber for the beak and feet, and also added a few strokes of burnt umber for the bird's tail. For the fifth bird, I used ultramarine mixed with small amount of alizarin crimson to create a purplish shade for the carrot shape. Next, I painted the bird's tummy with a light value of orange. I also blended the light orange with purple shade to smooth out any hard edges and to achieve a seamless transition between the two colors. I slightly extend the tummy for the feet of the bird. Using burnt umber, I paint the feet, and using alizarin crimson, I paint the beak of the bird. Use Payne's grade to add eyes for the birds. Next, we will paint the branch where all the birds are perched. I mixed the orange hue already on my palette with ultramarine to create a brown shade. I then added more water to this mixture to paint the branch. After painting the branch, I used burnt umber at its base. While the branch is still wet, I added a dark shade of ultramarine at the bottom of the branch to create a 3D effect. We have reached the end of this easy painting process. I hope you enjoyed painting the birds with me. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye from Prema.